Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of trams at the tram museum. I'm sorry to break it up into 2 parts. The video will just be too long to watch. That is why I made it just 1 part. Sorry about that, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's continue off where I left from. Let's check out the Melbourne and Metropolitan Tramways Board L class, number 104. You might be saying I'm joking. Let's climb aboard. And they actually made the thing low. Look, just getting up. But that means tram surfing. Wipers. Don't kill me off for the driver. I think it's this thing that makes it. But I don't know. You've got your classic wheel, whatever this thing is, and let's go in the bell. You got your throttle. Move your W clocks. Let's look at the interior. We got the Metropolitan Transit, later the map. Very scary map to look at. Pause if you want to actually understand that. It goes all the way up to Broadmeadows and Greensboro. That's weird. You got your handrails. I mean, they're alright. They get the job done. Oh, okay. I didn't actually swing with that. I just did a effect. You got your thing. It does make a noise. That's not fun anymore. Yeah. We can close this. Can we close this? No. I think not. The thing is here, but does this make a sound? Sorry. Doesn't make a sound, but let's see. Passengers do not obstruct car entrances. So you got this thing. It's like my grandma was saying, you know, what it feels like. It's just wood. Here we got real leather. And now we got this thing. Let's just go into this tram cab. You got your classic, but the windscreen wiper does work. No, I don't know how to operate this. Actually, okay, fine. Let me stop. I think this is how you operate the windscreen wiper. You got your throttle thing. I don't know if it is. Your tram. You got the prepare to stop sticker, apparently. Not even joking. Prepare to stop. And you got your bell. Okay. I'm just spamming the bell. Yeah, you got this thing. Let's go with the tramways. Hawthorne. Let's go with the tramways. Let's go with the Hawthorne Tramways Trust California calibration number 8. Yeah, very long name. Let's just start with here. It has this thing. People call it the Hawthorne number 8, but that's the official name. You got your mirrors. Hello. And of course you got throttle and no bell. And let me make this. Makes a very satisfying noise. The seat apparently folds up. Oh, the seat is It has this thing, and it has fire extinguisher. Yeah, good job. They should have thought about it on the older trams. Oh, you got this. So you got your classic entrance where there's no doors. But swoop over to this. They got this new boom operation thing. Pretty clever design, actually. Oh, you got this privacy thing. You can open the doors. You can't open the windows. Can you? Let's find out. You can. No. Yeah. No, you can't. You have to. But you can. Oh yes, you can actually. Can you pull? Oh no. But can do this privacy thing. I know what that is. It's unique. 100% really unique. I'm gonna fix this before everyone gets mad. You know what? Pretty cool. And you've got your other cap. Does it have the bell? Yes, it does. And you've got your throttle, your windscreen wiper thing that never works. And you got this. That's pretty cool. Next we got this thing. I don't know the name. Let's find out. So you can. The door's locked. So that looks like a rotten banana. The seat. You can tell it hasn't even been restored. I just put it here. Let me lock this so nobody can get in. The wheel, I respect. It has no sound. That's perfect. And no bell. So the windscreen wiper thing doesn't work. It's okay. You don't use it. You got your classic hop on, hop off thing. You got the doorknob. You got everything. Let's go inside. Where it's basically this. Tram requests. Nope. Just gonna hop on, hop off. And you got your classic. How do you? And you have to do this to open it. Yeah, there used to be a handle. Where are the handles? And let's see if there's a bell. Nothing too much. I'm not gonna do like classic. The wheel is pretty normal, but it's all you expect. And the bell sound. I don't know how they use the bells, but these trams are good. These trams are okay. Remember the W7? Let's look at the W5. This is ridiculous. And this is how you would get on. It's weird. My leg has to be like this. Get on. Oh. Door. Shoot. This is. So yeah, it is a W5 Plus. Finally, I can get on board. Get on board. Okay. You got throttle. That's it. And I can't. I'll lock myself. Let's hop up and let's go back on tram. Because we've got a whole lot of stuff to do. Did I show this tram before? I don't think I did. So you got the mat. Oh, there's a clemenge, if you can see there. The seats are just, oh! What are these seats? This is my most straight thing. This is like a very straight angle. They're like this. Okay, so you got your classic this thing. Makes a noise. Imagine just hearing this a million times. Okay, now I'm gonna try and break it. You cannot open the windows. Are there even doors? That's how you get fresh air. Can only request. Not really any stuff to do. Please keep entrance clear. You don't need her because there's no door. And you can actually do stuff like this. Pretend I'm moving. Editor, just put like a background. I'm just kidding. I have no editor. Yeah, you could do stuff like this.
Yeah, and also, and then what happens instead of into.
I can hear the horn. This thing's amazing. Okay, so I don't know what the horn is, but it sounds good. And what is the, yeah. So this is pretty much it. This thing, it's an L-class. Wait, did we already do the L-class? This is L-class 104, and this is L-class 106. They're the same things. But I am gonna do a quick walkthrough. Just because I want to see the differences. How do you get inside the tram? This video doesn't have a lot of cuts. Got this thing. That hurts. My ears. Oh, you got this. Does it make a sound? Does this make a sound? Satisfying. Okay. You got the handle thing. Got this. You got that. And you got sound. It makes a sound there. No horn. No bell. So here we are. And I'm going to show you something special. So we got a rhino on a skateboard. I'm going to go on him. This might be, I don't know if I can do that, but I'm going on him. He's a big boy. So, we finished this row. Okay. We finished the row, yay! Okay, I got to go on this tram. Let me see the horn. It has a bell. That sound wants to make me pee. Oh wait, well, camera's still on? Okay, sorry. Okay, let's just finish this row. We got the X2 class. This is what it was originally looking like. So these were the doors. They got the best doors. Okay, this has like it has an M&M theme. This is how everybody would do this. I'm gonna flip the seats because sitting backwards in Melbourne, yeah, it's common, but since the seats are reversible, everybody's just gonna do this. Whatever the year this tram was in, that hurt. Okay. This seat is just broken. Can I still move it? No. Okay, so except for this one, everything's good. Let me hear the bell. Doesn't really have a bell. Doors closing. Doors have to close because this is an X2 class. tram. Oh, that's a lot of effort. And yeah, could have used these, but who cares? You got your windscreen wiper that nobody ever uses. I think it's. Can this work? Yeah. Oops. So that is pretty much it. No, I'm gonna hear the bell. Is this like a? Nope. Alright. I think there used to be a wire here and some handrails, but now locked. Passengers must not talk to the driver. Okay. Is there a bell? You know what? I kind of like it. Yeah, I sound weird. There's actually a problem. I'm stuck. Gonna take a tiny bit of work. Hey. Alright. Okay, I'm stuck in here. Ow! Bro! I'm free! Alright, we're on this tram. What is it called? It's an X class. It's not an X2, it's an X class. Caution, okay? Ow! So this is what the driver will sit in, and this is probably like the ticket of God. It's back there. I think this is the whole. There isn't a wheel, it's a handle, but I kind of like it. The wheel's a bit annoying. You can do this. Let me speed run. And still has the belt. Someone's trying to ticket. Once ticket got lost. And yeah. Okay. Doors closing, clear. So this has like a foldable step. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie, that was pretty cool. And that's the X class. So we got this Y1 class. S, sponsor of this historic. You can see it's called Siemens. A bit fussy. The one. Only thing that matters is that this tram. I want to see if it still has the horn. So we got. Let me sit down. The gear can't spin. Maybe. And of course you can flip the seats. Let me see what the bell is like. Let me close the doors if you can. Can you even close them? Okay. Ring the bell later. Oh, this is the tram. Is that row finished? I think we should do this one. Did we do this row? Did we, wait a minute. Did we do this one? Okay, so we're on the T class, I believe. It's 180. Pretty self-explanatory what it is. And nothing much really. Let's just open this door. Where's the bell? So yeah, this is rotten. You got your wheel. And guess what? So you got this. I don't think there's any request start stuff. Just hop on and off. There ain't no doors. And how do you open this? Okay, we need to open that. We're gonna try the horn out later, I guess. Let's go and do another one because it's great. I want to hear the horn of this. Did we do this one? The X2. This.
Before you go forward, just watch this door because it's kind of folded outwards.
Okay, so you can close. Let's do this tram. We bring the whole bell yet. There's a bell. I think we didn't get to do that one. Oh yeah, there's a horn bell. Oh, skip! And I think it's the other one. Let's do this one and then we can go back on track. Sorry about that. Got a bit of stuff to do. Did we do this one? Yes we did. Yes, we did. Sorry. I just keep forgetting. We didn't get to do this one. Oh, we didn't get to do... Did we get to do this one? No. I'm very sorry, guys. Hopefully we can do the... I think it's this one. Nice. I have very bad memory, sorry. I hope it's this one. Because I'm getting tired. Alright, it's that one. If it's not that one, I'm hooked. Sorry, I'm saying right now, sorry. Yeah, this one. Okay, we got your cab. Your classic cab, the wheel. Can you... No, the wind wiper. What's the point of the wind wiper? Windscreen wiper. Okay. And that's pretty much it for this one. Alright, so I'm gonna do the T-class horn. The bell. Pretty normal. And the doors. No doors, I forgot. Oh, sorry. This happens a lot. Let's do the W2 class, which we haven't done. I believe we haven't done it. We haven't done this one. I hate these. I don't hate them. It's pretty hard. You know your classic. I got this, and you of course got this. Explosive 50. Okay. And let's now get the horn, the bell. The bell is right here. Another beautiful horn. Alright, I'm tram surfing. Just kidding. Alright, so we're doing the S class. It's pretty similar to the T class, but it's different. City 81. That's Route 96 one. Did we do this one? No. Okay, back to this one. Wait, whoa, chill. That's this one on bricks. Sorry. I just did it. Okay. Very tiny and very compressed. Was this how you would drive trams? I think you were supposed to do this, stand on this. Sorry. And you're stuck here basically. Change drivers, do this. Do this. Okay, so I'm getting kind of carried away. I'm gonna kind of here. These things are worst. Okay, so now let's just you'll be very good at oops. Okay, perfect. Also, shout out time. All right, the person that's gonna get a shout out is my friend Isaac. I know what you're gonna say, bro. Why do you have no friends? Yeah, just a shout out. Because I want to do a shout out. All right, shout outs are my thing. Okay, back to the main video. There's no horn. The horn is unknown. But I think the horn will be similar to. Why am I saying horn? I mean bell. It'll be similar to. I think it'll be similar to this one. Or be that one. So one more tram to go. Or is it two? I forgot what number it is. So we're on the double. So let's go to this one. Sweet! Okay. We got the PCC class. Number 1141. It looks like a Z, but it's not a Z. Because Z's are more rad. Alright, so you got your classic controls. So it's a command. So you got your sand button. You got your press. Your disc brake. Don't have rim brakes. You got the wiper. You got whatever this is. Your PA. PA's broken, sadly. And yeah, we got points. And we got doors. Now up. You got foldable seats. And this is where the ticket person is sitting, I think. Let's sit in this very uncomfortable seats. And it was locked with some stuff in it. You could do this, sit down. Pretty good. Priority seats didn't exist. It was just polls, really. Students traveling with schools tickets about. Yeah, you have to give up. This is like priority seat, basically. You exit these buttons. Did I mention them? These were the same. So this is basically just Z class, probably. And I don't know what the horn is, but it's probably it's like, okay, there's no seat, but it's probably sounds like the Z's now. And you got pedals. This is how you would move. No wheel. Oh, this is our last tram, and I like to call it horn spammer. So it's going to Preston Workshops. It's a home. And just this tram is pretty old. So I'm gonna put a video. I have another video. I have another video. Check out my channel. Subscribe, please. I'm gonna do another video about what other stuff there is. So stay tuned. Well, it's gonna be out now already. So here we got PCC class, and you got this horn spammer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.